This is the project that we're working on today. We're removing the trap right here. Got to get these traps out of these houses because they cause backups. We're going to be cutting the cast iron pipe here, and we're cutting it right there. We're putting in a backflow preventer or a backflow valve. This clean out is going to stay. We're going to replace it with PVC. This clean out is going to stick out of the floor. This clean out is going to disappear because of the backflow preventer. This pipe right here, this is the breather that goes outside. Once you remove the trap, you don't need a breather anymore. The sewage is going to the left side. That's the street right there. The rest of the house is this way, so all the sewage is coming in from the right and then moving out to the left, down and out. Got to get this trap out. The reason why this clean out is here is if the trap ever gets full, you can put a plunger on top of this thing and plunge out the grime inside of that trap right here, and that usually unplugs traps. It's a good technique of cleaning it out. I find it works better than using a snake, a 4-inch snake with the cutter wheel on the end.
Okay. This looks really fucking long.
Let's not use it like that, because just in case, I want to save that blade and use it as much as I can, because it's fucking expensive, man. You think we could cut? Let's cut this guy out.
No, you mean just cut through the last bits with it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, water in the pipe.
Yeah, it's because of the trap. The trap holds back some of the water, but there's not much.
No, that'll seep down and you'll let that seep out.
Yeah, so it's a good thing that we filled up the bathtubs in the building and ran some fresh water through these pipes, and mostly that trap that's just to the left of the screen, just to clean it out so we're not working in stank. Get it?
Yep.
Done.
That's that.
Well, we got it out, and if you have one of these main sewer traps in your house, you want to get rid of them. It's better not to have a trap. Well, it's out, and now we're in the process of cleaning out the pipe because there's all kinds of gunk wrapped around the edge of the pipe. So we want to clean it out as much as we possibly can before we start putting things back together. Can you show the camera the tool we just made? We got a piece of old curtain rod, hammered the end, put a little tip on it, so now we can just scrape everything out of that pipe. We're going as deep as we can. We got more pipe.
There's not much back there. It's
Not much.
just-
It was just before the trap, where all that grease.
Before the trap.
It's grease that causes that. And then there's like a small little channel of water that flows underneath it, and all the grease tends to stick to the top of the pipe. That's what it looked like anyhow when we first started cleaning it out. Okay, so the next phase of this project is to get this backflow valve installed. I think that's what they call it. It's a pretty cool little device. There's a bowl on the bottom right corner there that floats up and closes the lid. They sell these at any plumbing supply store. The problem we're having is we've got to chip out the concrete wall or the cinder block wall here so that it'll fit level. These units come with pitch already built into them, so we're just putting our level right on top of that clear lid, and we're gonna make her fit. Want to try putting in the backflow preventer to see where we're at?
Yep. We're there. That's it.
Where's that level?
Oh, we are so there. I can just fucking feel it, bro.
Yeah.
The little one's over there. Yeah. Fucking dead on.
Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, so we've got all our measurements between the left side of the backflow valve to the original cast iron going to the street. We already built this guy here. This is going to be the connection. Fernco here, Fernco there. At the top part there, that's going to be a clean out. And we're just, you know, tweaking our measurements right now so that it's perfect. Yeah, I'm just in the hole right now, filing this edge off. I don't want anything to get caught on a sharp edge. The file I'm using is this guy right now. There's a bit of it's a bit rounded at one end, and I believe this is an important step to completing this job properly. Alright, so we're doing the final dry fit. We've got all the PVC glued together, and we're just doing the final check before we tighten up the belts on the Fernco.
Oh, I need the phone cover.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's a nice seal.
It's a nice fit, right?
Yep, it's dead flush against it. It's exactly what we want.
Yep. The slope, the level, everything's proper. It's looking good. Okay, well, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. We've already tested it. We've turned on bathtubs. It works. There are no leaks. Fernco at the end. Fernco connecting the PVC pipe with the sleeve, and then Fernco on top of the sleeve. Fernco connects directly to this backflow preventer. Same thing here on this end. Fernco to the backflow preventer and to the cast iron. This pipe here is a clean out. It's got a lid. Once we finish the floor, we'll cut the PVC pipe, and this hasn't been glued in yet. Once we finish the floor, we'll cut the pipe. We'll take this, move it down, glue it in to the finished floor height. Okay, and the final step is we're closing off this hole. That hole right there is the breather on the side of the building. It lets air in so that the trap works. Now that we don't have a trap, we don't need this anymore, and we're about to mortar and parge it up. Okay, and finally we've got the breather hole or vent hole cemented and patched up, and that's the final job right there.